Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a case fan, and I'm going to be using the CoolerMaster Master Fan SF120R fans that I did the unboxing of. You can watch the video of the unboxing right here. The Master Fan has these nice rubber anti-vibration pads already built in, so you don't need to buy new ones for that, like the older fans. Okay, so let's open up the case. I'm going to be replacing the top one and the back one. I also suggest getting a big star screwdriver to loosen the screws and fasten the new ones. You have to remove the power cable for the fan, and when you're working in the PC, make sure you have the anti-static wristband on. At the moment I'm barefoot on the ground, so I hope that works too. Always hold down your fan when you loosen the last screw, otherwise it will drop onto your graphics card, or it might break something else underneath it. As you can see, it's been a while since the case has been properly cleaned, and the bearings on these fans is bad. Also, when you loosen the screws, make sure you press down hard on the screw so it doesn't slip and damage the head of the screw. Here's a recording of the two fans in operation. I do not have a decibel meter to give a reading. It is fairly quiet and easy to live with. Thank you for watching.